Alright, for this coming ghost month, like what I've said in my previous short video about the reminders, that if you are into a business or entering an transaction such as contract signing, whether you are the business side, putting up a business, or um, making some offers, like you're offering properties to sell or any contracts, as long as may kinalaman po siya sa major decision making, avoid po muna natin for this coming days, starting ng ating ghost month till end, right? And additionally, I would like also to put some suggestion, might as well. Sabi nga ng mga old people, right after the ghost month end, let's say, halimbawa, no, nag-September, let's say, one day ahead, or one day after, to siguro mga 3 days right after the ghost month, that's about time na safe na tayo to entertain new beginnings, right? So, new beginnings, general lang sabi ko, ang like, yun na nga, ang ibig ko sabihin, if ever na meron po kayong mga contract signing, or you're entering a business, or basta major decisions, ayan, pwede na tayo ulit makipag-deal, and as long as pagkatapos po ng ghost month, 3 days after, okay? At least safe lang po yan na suggestion, okay? So before our ghost month days starts, usually 2 days ahead or 3 days before the ghost month nasa calendar natin, hindi na talaga masyado nag-entertain as much as possible ng any transaction, para lang naman kahit papaano ma-avoid lang natin yung mga misunderstanding, right? Okay, thank you so much again for watching this video, and thank you for asking this for me to be at least partly discussed sa abot ng ating makakaya, right? Again, it's me, your one and only friend around the world, Sweet Caroline.